Today, we'll look at one of the easiest but most rewarding side hustles out there, reacting to viral gaming clips. We'll explain how folks earn over $200,000 per year by watching and commenting on gaming videos. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know precisely how to make viral videos using this exact method. First, let us discuss why reaction videos are so popular. People enjoy seeing how others react to something, especially if it is something they are enthusiastic about, such as a video game. This trend has flourished on platforms such as TikTok, Instagram and YouTube, making it a lucrative market for content makers. And because they get to piggyback on already viral gaming clips, their videos are almost certain to get millions of views with a simple formula that I'm about to go through with you in this video step by step for free. Let us begin with a prime example, a YouTube channel called Sambuca. The channel has soared to 7.8 million subscribers, mainly to his lucrative utilization of reaction videos. Sambuca discovered a viral video on TikTok about the most popular video games of all time. He compiled it into a tape and recorded himself reacting to it, adding his own commentary and views. This simple but entertaining content has gained him a large following. With 7.8 million users, Sambuca may easily generate something between $240,000 to $260,000 per year from ad income alone. This does not even account for possible sponsorships and retail sales, which may greatly raise his revenues. Quick overview on the process. Okay, the question now is how to get started with this lazy side hustle. Allow me to guide you through this process step by step. The first step in starting this side hustle is looking for viral gaming clips. TikTok and Instagram are great places to find viral content. Find popular videos by using hashtags and trending sections. Once you've discovered a viral video, it's time to capture your reaction. You only need a webcam or a phone. Set up your recording equipment to record your reaction while you watch the video. Make sure to be emotive and interesting. Viewers will be drawn in by your reactions. After filming your reaction, you'll need to edit it. CapCut, a free tool, is ideal for this purpose. CapCut enables you to insert your reaction video in one section of the screen and the viral clip in another, resulting in a seamless viewing experience. You can also utilize Adobe Enhanced Speech to increase the audio quality of your reaction, ensuring that it is clear and professional. Let's look at another success story. This time with a gamer who recycled his own work. This guy had an old Fortnite video on Twitch that had done well. He decided to make it into a reel, add his own commentary and share it on YouTube. What is the end result? The video received over 7 million views and generated a large amount of money. This method demonstrates that you do not always need to find new content. You can reuse your old gaming clips from platforms like Twitch, add some fresh commentary and create new viral videos. There are endless methods to produce viral reaction videos using game content. Here's another great example from YouTuber Brett Cooper. She's seen playing Mario Brothers for the first time and sharing her experience with viewers by recording herself. Now that we've seen these examples, let's get stuck in and create our own from scratch. Let's kick off by exploring how ChatGPT can help us swiftly discover viral videos. In the past, this task was often the most challenging, requiring creativity and brainstorming to find funny videos. Now with ChatGPT or other free AI chatbots, we can simply convey our intention and ask for ideas. We can even request elaboration or additional suggestions until we find something appealing. For instance, I found the idea of funny GTA moments after refining ChatGPT's suggestions. Next, on my phone, I searched TikTok for funny GTA moments, filtering the results by likes. TikTok conveniently ranks the most viral videos first, aiding our search. Remember, this trick works exclusively on the TikTok mobile app, so conducting research on a phone or tablet is essential. Through this method, I stumbled upon a highly viral GTA video which proved easy to engage with as I was already a massive fan of GTA. Once you've identified a promising video, you can use a free website to create a copy for yourself. First, finding your viral clip. This is really simple to do. Go into TikTok, type in your viral niche you're looking for, and in my case, I'll search GTA 5. Now, here's the important part. Filter the results in terms of popularity. So let's delve into the process of editing our viral video for YouTube using free tools. I'll be utilizing a free web-based browser app for this purpose. Alternatively, if you prefer mobile editing or lack access to a computer, you can opt for the mobile app version. After signing in for free, begin by creating a new project and selecting the 16:9 video format. Upload both your copy of the viral video and your reaction clip. Drag and drop your reaction clip onto the video timeline, positioning it either at the top or bottom of the screen. Then add the viral video clip to the timeline as well. Currently, the viral video may overlay the reaction clip, so adjustments are needed. Click on the crop button to open the cropping tool and trim off the top and bottom edges of the viral video clip to maintain visibility of both clips on the screen. If the viral video contains copyrighted music, it's crucial to silence it to avoid copyright issues. Simply click on the sound icon on the viral video's timeline to mute it. Next, ensure that the timing of both the viral video and reaction clips aligns perfectly. You can do this by locating the starting point of your reaction clip on the timeline and splitting the video to remove any unwanted sections. After ensuring synchronization, you can enhance your video using CapCut's tools, such as adding special effects or texts. For instance, if you want to credit the original creator, simply click on text, add a heading text box, type in the creator's handle, choose a background color, and position it accordingly on the video. Once you're satisfied with the edit, your video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. With these simple steps, you can create engaging reaction content seamlessly. Since I recorded my video using only my phone and without a microphone, the audio quality was admittedly poor. To address this, I'll utilize Adobe's free AI tool to enhance the audio. While this step might be unnecessary if you choose not to speak in your video, it's essential for improving the audio quality if you're following a more vocal approach like Sambuca. To begin, export your video with the default settings and then upload it to Biteable, a free tool. Extract the audio from the video and within a minute you'll have the audio file ready for enhancement. Next, create a free account on Adobe's podcast enhanced speech tool and upload your audio file. The AI technology will then work its magic, removing imperfections and refining the audio to professional standards. Once your audio is enhanced, return to CapCut to incorporate the new audio. Silence the original audio from your reaction clips video and replace it with the enhanced audio on the timeline. After making these adjustments, export your video with the enhanced audio in high quality settings. Ensure a polished final product. Now it's time to post it on YouTube and start earning money. Well, I don't want this video to just tell you how to establish a $200,000 per year side hustle. I want you to understand everything about monetizing these already viral re-uploaded video clips. You can utilize the YouTube mobile app or the website depending on your preference. It's simple either way. Just click the upload button, choose your video, and you're halfway there. Give your video a catchy title. You want something that draws folks. Let's discuss the interesting part, making money. To start earning from ads on YouTube, you need to meet specific criteria. For shorts, your video must receive 10 million views within 90 days. This might seem like a lot, but viral content can gain views rapidly. A well-timed, attention-grabbing video can significantly boost your views and subscribers overnight. The key is to ensure your content is engaging and resonates with your audience. By hitting the right notes, you can achieve these milestones and start earning from your YouTube channel in no time. Just keep looking for clips that are already viral. If you're really serious about this side hustle and want to grow and make money quick, then use TubeBuddy to do all the video optimizations for you and get monetized much quicker. Just sign up with the free link in the description below. for a 30-day free trial. So there you have it, a lazy side hustle that can earn you over $200,000 a year. If you enjoyed watching this, then check out my video here where I uncover the best trends for you to make money from.